It's time now to take a look at your latest local news from around the region. I'm Dan Hardenbrook, and this is your Newberry News Update on M123 FM. In your latest local news this morning, one local area school district closed today due to staff illness. The Three Lakes Academy in Curtis is closed today. No school for the district for Tuesday, January 20th due to widespread staff illness. District hoping to resume school as scheduled for the remainder of the week. You can follow along with updates and more information by going to the Three Lakes Academy Facebook page or their website at threelakesacademy.com. Again, Three Lakes Academy in Curtis closed today, Tuesday, January 20th, due to staff illness. The Newberry Village Council will hold their regular monthly meeting tonight. That'll take place at 6 p.m., and the meeting will take place in the council chambers at 307 East McMillan Avenue. Updates will be provided on the Safe Routes to School program. Total expenses for approval are $180,390.69. Items that highlight tonight's agenda include updates from previous meetings, village manager reports, also the reports of committees, commissions, and from village officers and leadership teams. Under unfinished business, an action item, a vote taken with the C2AE updated CWSRF engineering proposal and contract. There'll also be updates on the EWR Green Energy Program with Efficiency United, updates on well 6 and 7 cleaning and parts replacement, reminding on zoning ordinance information, update on the sheriff and village working as a partnership, and public comment follow-up from the previous meeting. To view tonight's Village Council meeting agenda and board packet, you can click the link available on the Village of Newberry, Michigan Facebook page. The LMAS District Health Department is issuing a public hearing notice. The LMAS District Health Department Board of Health will hold a public hearing scheduled for Monday, March 2nd at 10 a.m. at the Newberry office. The intent of the public hearing is to receive public comments on proposed revisions to the Upper Peninsula Environmental Health Code. The proposed changes primary effect alternative on-site sewage systems, and the proposed effective date would be May 1st. To view the full public hearing notice and proposed revisions, click the link available on the LMAS District Health Department Facebook page or go to lmasdhd.org. Click on the notice of public hearing. Written comments must be received prior to the start of the hearing to officially be submitted. Mark your calendars. That's a public hearing notice from the LMAS District Health Department Board of Health regarding the Upper Peninsula Environmental Health Code, set for Monday, March 2nd, 10 a.m. in Newberry. Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center wants you to stay safe and healthy this winter season. They're offering helpful reminders for general health screenings. Stay organized and keep a list of past screenings, test results, and upcoming appointments that can help you check your care over time. Always bring your information, including insurance card, photo ID, and list of medications, vitamins, and supplements to each visit. Never be afraid to ask questions and write them down or share your concerns ahead of time so nothing is forgotten during your appointment. Always plan ahead and schedule screenings early and plan for travel time, especially during winter months and severe weather, and follow up by writing down results and the next steps and schedule follow-up visits or tests as recommended. Get more information at hnjh.org. I'm Dan Hardenbrook. That is your latest local news. It is your Newberry News Update on M123 FM. Time now to check in with sports this morning. Newberry and Engadine meeting in girls basketball action last night. It was all Lady Indians as they win it 66-10. Gracie Johnson with a game and career high 30 points to lead the Lady Indians to a victory. They are now 6-1 overall on the season. Lady Indians back in action when they take on Brimley in a big EUP conference matchup on Thursday night later this week. Boys basketball action in the UP Conference tonight. Newberry scheduled to be in Detour to take on the Cedarville Detour Islanders. 5:45 in the JV varsity game will follow. Going to have to put on a couple extra layers if you're headed to the high school hockey game tonight. Manistee Emeralds Varsity Co-op celebrating Parents' Night. They welcome Kingsford in to the Little Bear West Arena. That is a 7 o'clock puck drop on M123 FM in my Manistee. Your latest local weather forecast for the day today. More snow, more cold. What else is new? Could see a slight chance of snow showers today. Partly sunny. Highs will be in the single digits. Wind chills pushing -20. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. For your Wednesday, 50% chance of snow. Cloudy, highs in the mid-teens. Wind chills still below zero. Southwest winds 5 miles per hour. Thursday, almost too cold to snow. Partly sunny. Highs in the single digits. I'm Dan Hardenbrook. Have a great day. It is your Newberry News Update on M123 FM.
Introducing Upstream TV. From the Sioux to St. Ignace, over to Newberry, and all points in between. Upstream TV connects people across the eastern Upper Peninsula like never before. Local news, local people, local places. Streaming 24/7 on your phone or your TV. Stay in the know wherever you go. Upstream TV, where local lives. Find us on YouTube or myupstreamtv.com.